Going. Here, now let me go to third person. Or free cam. Wait, I'm going to free cam. Now hold still. Yeah, I got it. I got one, and then I got one of you in free cam and one of you in third person. Mhm.